So welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our next PharmaFORUM International webcast. Today's topic is regulatory affairs in China, and I'm very pleased to introduce our expert for today, Mr. Dr. Alan Chalmers, who is consultant on international regulatory affairs at Pharma International Innovation Center in Switzerland. Thank you very much, Alan, that you share your experience with us today.
Good afternoon, everyone, and greetings from Switzerland to all of you in your various companies. We're looking forward to an interesting session on recent developments in regulatory affairs in China. Jessica has already given you the introduction, so I shall move on to the next slides. You have already got my contact details. When you signed up for this webinar, and when it was advertised in the past month, these were the key points we wished to cover. Marketing authorization in China, the new regulatory frameworks in place since 2016, the essential documents for a new application in China, the necessities and opportunities for ECTD, and the drug evaluation process by the China Food and Drug Administration, CFDA. As I'm sure all of you working with China are well aware, the only thing that's permanent in China, there are many things permanent in China, but one is change, and things are changing. So already, whilst preparing for the seminar and submitting the slides in the last month, mended the topic slightly, and I hope you agree. So we'll be looking at marketing authorization in China. We'll be looking at the latest regulatory framework from and in now 2018, because there have been a number of recent and very important developments in March and April of this year, and we're already now just mid-May, but things have been moving at quite a pace. And drug evaluation will now be made by the State Drug Administration. I'll explain all this in the course of the webinar. So the aim is really to focus on many of these recent developments and trends, because I think this is a good opportunity to update on many issues which affect our daily work in regulatory affairs with China.